Okay, today we're here at Castle Park in Riverside, and I found a new item already, and it's not even quite their Castle Dark yet. So this is called their Tornado Potato, and it's $6.99. And you could get ketchup or mustard if you want. But this is a little different than the ones we have at the fair, because the potato is actually battered and then fried. And then they have this sauce. It's kind of not sauce, but uh, seasoning. Might be like what do you call that stuff? Um, Season salt. Okay, let's try some with ketchup too, since she gave me some. Okay. Oh. Is it all over my face? Yeah, this looks actually really good. You could also just pull it apart. I do like the batter on it. It actually does taste better. So let's see. It does make it crunchier on the outside. So I'm gonna give these a name. If you're here at Castle Park, come try these out. I guess they just started doing them. So, anyways, uh, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.